Welcome to my channel Class Winner by Shri Shyam Books, All India #1 skill books publisher. Welcome back. Today we are gonna pull back the curtain and demystify the world of travel, really breaking down the essentials of the tourism business. You know that feeling, right? When you're trying to plan a trip and it just feels, well, overwhelming. With all the different options and strange terms, it's like you need a secret Dakota ring just to figure out where to begin. Well, that's exactly what we are gonna do today. We are gonna build your very own Savvy Traveler's Toolkit. Ready? Let's dive right in and grab our first tool. First things first, we've got to learn the language. Just like any industry, tourism has its own shortcuts and special vocabulary to make sure everyone's on the same page and things move along smoothly. Okay, here's one you've probably seen on a booking form. PAX. It's just a quick and easy abbreviation for passengers or travelers. So if you see 4 PAX on a confirmation, it just means 4 people are in your group. Simple as that. Now, what if you're a solo adventurer or maybe you're just traveling with your partner? Well, the industry has a term for you, and FIT, which stands for Free Independent Traveler. Basically, it means you're not part of a big prepackaged tour group. And then, of course, there's the VIP guest. This is exactly what it sounds like. Someone who gets that extra special treatment. You know, we are talking about the good stuff, like complimentary room upgrades, welcome gifts, and really personalized service. Okay, now this is a really interesting one, because a guest and a customer aren't always the same person. The guest is the one who's actually using the service. You know, sleeping in the hotel bed, going on the tour. But the customer? That's the person or even the company who's paying the bill. Think about a business trip. The employee is the guest, but their company is the customer. Alright, so now that we've got some of the lingo down, let's move on to our second tool. We are gonna look at the people who manage all the crazy, complex logistics behind the scenes, travel agencies. For a travel agency, and really for a country's economy, one of the biggest things they track is the difference between inbound and outbound tourists. Inbound means foreign visitors are coming into the country, bringing their money with them. Outbound means the locals are heading out to see the world and taking their money abroad. It's a really vital distinction. And this really breaks it all down, doesn't it? A travel agent's job is so much more than just booking a flight. They're crafting your entire trip from scratch, they're juggling all the different bookings, managing the money and the vouchers, and they even help you navigate all that complicated paperwork. Okay, so you've learned the language, you know who can help you with the logistics, you must be all set and ready to pack your bags, right? Well, not quite. There is one final, absolutely critical piece to our traveler's toolkit. And trust me, this is the one you really don't want to forget. These right here are the legal keys to your travel kingdom. Your passport, a valid visa for the country you're visiting, travel insurance to cover you if things go wrong, and of course, any medical documents or vaccinations you might need. For any international trip, these are totally non-negotiable. So there you have it, the 3 essential tools for any savvy traveler. First, understanding the language. Second, knowing who handles the logistics. And third, taking care of all the legalities. Now you're in the know. So now you have this toolkit. You can navigate the world of travel with way more confidence, turning something that might have felt confusing into something you can totally handle. So I guess the only question left is, where are you gonna go next?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.